Welcome back to Homestead Gains, everybody. I'm glad to have you back with us for a really short video. This is a video of the roofing that took place on our big barn about 2.5 years ago. The windstorms had actually blown a whole bunch of the shingles off of that west side of the roof, and they came out and said it's all got to go. This was some really old T-lock shingles. You can see them scraping off the cedar shake as well. Once they were done with that, they laid down some new MDF fiberboard and put down some underlayment and then started laying the shingles. This crew was amazing. They did great work. They were fun to have around. They were very friendly, and they were very hard workers. You can actually see in this video right here, look at this guy walking up that board to get trash into the bin. I couldn't do that. I'd fall right over the edge. And the same with these guys, carrying all that weight up a ladder that's probably 35 feet, 40 feet up. And they just went at it over and over and over again. So great job to those guys. We're very happy with the new roof. It's going to keep that barn waterproof for many, many years to come. And here's what the new roof looks like. Thank you for tuning in again to another Homestead Gains video. I'll have some more full-length videos coming up here shortly. Hope you have a great weekend. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.